In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Snapchat username. Okay, so recently Snapchat has done an update and you now have the ability to change your username. Now, before you go and open up Snapchat, what you need to do is you need to make sure you're running the latest version of Snapchat. So go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Snapchat, and if there's an update available, make sure you download that update. Now, after you've done that, you can go out of the App Store, go to Snapchat on your device, and then open it up. Then you want to tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left-hand corner. Now you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right-hand corner over there. Okay, now you'll be on your settings page. Then you want to tap over here where it says username and your current username. So tap on that. And now you have the new option here that says change username. Previously that wasn't there before. So the thing to take note of here is that you can only change your username once per year. So if you want to change it, if you made a mistake when you were creating your account or something, just tap on change username and it says you change your username. No one will be able to claim your old one, including you. So tap on continue and let me just try and change it to the actual name of my YouTube channel. Okay, so that one is actually just too long. So I'll just leave it how it was, but then you'll just tap on next and then change your username. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.